In this video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing a chemical pump squeeze tube on your Jackson DishStar HT-E. To make the repair, you'll need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, a 7/16 socket wrench, a side cutter, and some zip ties. Since this repair does involve working with chemicals, be sure to wear rubber gloves and eye protection. First, you'll need to power down the unit by switching off the circuit breaker. Moving to the front of the machine, use a 7/16 socket wrench to remove both screws holding the kick panel in place. Open the panel to access the chemical feeder pumps. Locate the faceplate covering the tube which needs to be replaced. Unscrew and remove the faceplate, then gently slide the tube out of the rear pump housing. Clip the zip ties to unseal both the incoming and outgoing chemical lines. Then disconnect both lines to remove the tube. Connect the new squeeze tube to each of the chemical lines. Use zip ties to seal the lines. Tighten with needle nose pliers, then clip off the excess. Press the new squeeze tube into the channel in the rear pump housing. In order to help position the tube, the rollers may be removed and replaced or rotated as necessary. You can now replace the faceplate and secure with 4 screws. Close and secure the kick panel. Then restore power at the circuit breaker. For the last step, you'll need to prime the lines. Press and hold button 1 for the detergent line. For rinse aid, press and hold 2. For further information, refer to your Jackson DishStar Operator's Manual.